Welcome to Software Tech. The topic of our tutorial is Introduction to HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was developed in earlier 1990. It is a formatting language used to develop web pages. Hypertext means that HTML markups contain words in the document as link to other part of the same documents or the other documents. When the user clicks on the link, browser starts displaying the documents attached to that link. HTML is not a programming language. It is used to define text, graphics, audio, video in web pages. It uses text and markup to specify how the contents of the web page will display. HTML code can be written in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text 1, 2, 3. HTML was developed a few years ago, a subset of SGML. SGML stands for Structured Generalized Markup Language. It also describes formatting and hypertext link and different components of the document. It is basically an application-oriented document formatting. HTML is simpler than SGML. It was designed for use over the internet in the form of the web page. HTML is more suited for the purpose. It is used to design and create web page for the different type of the user and the web. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, was introduced in late 1996. Style sheet is a collection of formatting style that can apply to a web page. Designer can specify the design of the web page in a style sheet and then use it in the web page. The simple style sheet can be used in the multiple web page or even many websites. CSS are used to modify the properties of existing HTML tag. All web browsers are based on a built-in style sheet. It instructs the browser how to display different elements in a web page. For example, when the browser sees the paragraph tag, it knows to skip a line and start a new section. This information is stored in the built-in style sheet. When a new style sheet is defined, the built-in style sheet